Hello, in this tutorial I am going to illustrate how you create a diploma using Darkroom. We're going to be doing this for the Growing Garden preschool kids and the Infant Center kids. And let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the spreadsheet that is the roster. I have it open or had it open already, so I'm just showing it here. I've revised the information slightly. I figured out how to get rid of those leading zeros. It was really an easy action in Excel. I just wasn't familiar with it. So you're going to use these names again for naming the diplomas. So they will be without the leading zeros. So let's just start with the first child in the Infant Center. Her name is Kate Atkinson. We're going to copy that for now. We'll use it in a minute. We're going to open Darkroom, launch it. So in Darkroom, you're going to go to, in fact, I'm going to use the actual external drive that you'll be using, which is this one, Extreme SSD. So I'm going to go under the tab for Kathy. We're going to pull open the Growing Garden stuff. Okay. And we're going to go to the pictures, Growing Garden pictures. So we're going to go to the raster images of the students that you created. So we're in here now. They're all sideways. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to select all and turn them the other way, just because I don't want to deal with that. The first child we selected, I already forgot their name, Kate Atkinson. Okay, so these are going to be, I have them sorted alphabetically, so I guess that's the best way to do it. You're going to find Kate down here. Okay, there she is. So you grab her picture, go to Photo Workshop. There's 3 different templates for the diplomas. There's one for the infant kids. She happens to be one of the infants. You are working off of, the easiest way to figure that out is as you're going down this list, the Infant Center, these kids are all going to be one template. And then when you get into the others classes, most of the classes, the 2 and 3-year-old classes, will be a second template. And then the pre-K, which is the 4-year-olds, will be a third template. We'll get into that later. But for now, we've got her picture here. We're going to find the template, and I'm adding these onto the laptop so they will be there for you. And I'm going to search for it here on the desktop. I want to go to options. Okay, event borders. In my case, you won't have these many choices, I don't think. Maybe you do. But under Event Borders, it's called Preschool Scholars. Say OK. That's the folder you want to open. Once this loads, takes a second because there's a lot of templates out here. Hello. Try again. Click OK. Shouldn't take that long. Let's see. One more time. So Preschool Scholars. Oh, hold on. I lied. Try this one, Scholars Templates. My fault, my bad. So we're going to scroll down, they're alphabetical. We're looking for ones that are named starting with GG. GG. So you'll have, just to go over it quickly, you have the Infant Center template, the 3 lines, meaning 3 signature lines, and then a 4 signature line template. We want to use the Infant Center for now. You're going to say OK. And once you do this once, as long as you're still using the same template, you won't have to do this for each child. But you have to remember to change the template when you get to the other classes. Okay, so here's what the template looks like. You can see it says Infant Center, so you know you're on the right template here. I'm just going to drop her photo down a little bit and maybe center it a little bit. You could make it a little smaller so it fits a little better, or whatever works. I'm also going to go into correct, and in this case, I'm going to try the auto contrast because it brightens it up. Might even brighten it up a little more. These are printed on an inkjet printer, so the print quality is not like a photo paper quality. It's always best to have them a little on the bright side so they don't print too dark. You can see the name is already here under her file, under her picture, because it's the actual file name that I'm pulling in. And then you're going to say save to file. Here's where you're going to go up through here. You want to stay in the Growing Garden folder. You want to find Diplomas, and you're going to save these by class. So we're going to go to the Infant Center. Okay, so now I'm going to right click and use that name I put in. So I'm going to say save, and it takes a second, should be there. Let's let it finish. Then we're going to go out to the library just to see how it looks, make sure it is in fact where we want it. Open this Infant Center, and Infant Center, please open. Okay, where are you? Oh, I know why. Hold on. No. Oh, did I save it to the desktop? Sorry about that. Let's do that one more time. So I think I saved it to my desktop. Let's go back here to the, where am I at? One in here, right? So let's see. Sorry about that. Anyway, you do want to save it to the Infant Center folder, which I, again, think I saved it to the wrong location, but for now, just to show you and not prolong the agony of watching this video, let's go here, 2021, I think that's what I did. Go to Growing Garden, Diplomas, Infant Center, there we go. Well, actually, yeah, there we are, right there. So if you want to open it, you can see that it's there. Anyway, that's how it should look, basically. Don't mind this message. I'm having a problem with my desktop on this application right now. I have to keep closing that goofy message that pops up. So that's that. Okay, so that's the essence of it. I think I'll stop the video, and I will do another one for the preschool pre-K kids, because those are slightly different. We're going to use their cap and gown photos. Okay, thanks.